Hey folks, welcome back to Software Testing Hacks. Today in this video, let's talk about how we can use AI tool to generate our test cases. Okay, based on the test cases, we can write it in the test case document, and then we can execute. Basically, now it is always encouraged to use the AI tools so that it makes your um, task easier and then simpler, so the chances of you missing out the scenario will be less. Okay, so before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. For us, it is required to have the requirement. Okay, either you can generate your requirement through ChatGPT, or it is up to you. If you have any requirement already for your project, that also you can provide. Make sure that while giving the information, it is not the sensitive company's information, and then you do not put any sensitive data there. Okay, so make sure that, and basically you can, first we will add a prompt. Prompt is important here, and then we have to give the test case requirement. So the requirement, we will create a requirement by ourselves now. So we'll say that create a registration page where contains fields such as username or email address. First, username, and then a password, confirm password, and phone number. Phone number, what else? We can also have gender, etc. So these are the fields that the registration page contains. Okay. Once the user enters all the information, user all the valid information, let's say. Okay. All the valid information, then user should be able to get a met- OTP, let's say OTP, on their email address and phone number. After successful verification, user should be logged in. Okay, basically this is our requirement now. Okay, say this like this. Okay, now for this we have to ask the ChatGPT, saying that how can I generate the test case for this? Okay, give me the test cases for this requirement. Okay, we will do it now. Okay, so here in ChatGPT, we'll ask it create a create the test cases for the below requirement. Okay, so and then we'll give the requirement. Let's see how it generates. So it is generating test case 1, test case 2. Okay, fifth test case, sixth test case. Okay, see, it is even generating the negative scenarios as well. Verify error message for incorrect OTP. Okay, and then validate OTP on expiry. Okay, all the negative test cases as well it generated. If you're not satisfied, you can again ask it to generate some of the negative test cases. Okay, let's see how many 10 totally it has generated. Verify registration page elements and then email address field, validate password and confirm password match. So there are a lot of test cases it has generated along with the precondition, as well as it has written the test steps as well and expected result also. Okay. So, if you have not watched with how to create test cases, a video, you just go and watch it so that there I have explained how we create test cases. Okay. All the details I have provided and what are the different components that we have while we write the test cases. All the information you will get it in that video. I leave the link to that video also in the description. Okay. So likewise, you can ask ChatGPT and generate the test cases. This is one way. If you want another negative test cases, so you can ask the ChatGPT, please generate few negative test test cases, basically test cases for the above. So what you ask here is important. Okay. You have to properly ask what you need. Otherwise, ChatGPT you cannot 100% rely on sometimes because based on what you ask, it provides the answer. Okay. For that, make sure that whatever question you are asking to ChatGPT is correct. See, it started generating negative test cases also. Register with empty name and then with empty password. So it generated couple of negative test cases as well. So this is how you can make use of ChatGPT, okay, and write your manual test cases. Basically, you can also use it for your coding purpose also. In the next video, I'll show you how you can utilize your ChatGPT free version basically, okay, to generate your um, code, okay, to take your automation testing help basically. Okay, so let's see. Register all the fields with register with all fields blank and then enter expired OTP for phone verification. So it generated few other test cases also. Okay, hope you got how we can use the chat GPT for our manual work. So it made our task faster. Okay, and there is less chance that certain scenarios you might not get while writing the test case, right? Like enter the expired OTP and all. Okay, such cases you can give a better coverage for your requirement basically. So start making use of the AI tools, but make sure that you are not providing any sensitive information or company sensitive data to the ChatGPT. As uh, if it is an paid version, then you will be having a assurance that the data might not be used. But as it is free, there are chances of those data can be used. Okay, so make sure that you are not providing any sensitive information. Hope you learned like how you can start using ChatGPT on your day-to-day activities. In the next video, let's talk about how we can generate the code for our automation testing. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.